What's up, winners? On this channel, we learn to see through manipulation and have fun doing it. Meghan cooking, which is always, I would say a hoot, but it's kind of scary too. We have her jealous, why are you talking? Look at Drew Barrymore, and then we're going to have some nasty hygiene. You'll see.
This is the Fast Five with Megan Sussex. All right.
This was a terrible movie.
You talk about like surprise and delight.
I mean,
on
Drew
the show
Barrymore
with
just
your
like
guests.
basically pick your
When was
nose
the last time you were
while they're gonna
surprised and
cook.
delighted?
Last night, and also this morning, but last night when I went back to my hotel, there was this sweet card from my kids and my husband saying, "We're so proud of you, Mama, and congrats on the show," and with flowers. And I just thought, okay, here we go. And I felt so loved. So that he had planned it in advance to make sure it was there when I got to my hotel room. It was really sweet.
I would bet $10,000 she's lying. She looks up, well, the most amazing thing that happened to me is my husband and kids, they left me a card just telling me that I'm perfect, that I'm the best mother, that I'm so much better than Princess Catherine, and that I should be a queen. My kid just left me that, and it was brought specially to me. And look, this woman's like, yeah, right. Oh, it's just so amazing. Like, oh gosh.
Okay, what's your favorite thing that you see in your kids that you go,
look at
oh, that's their dad?
Meg's expressions.
Like,
Oh, some of the.
Oh wait, what? When they're like, I don't want to make fun of the kids, but hopefully they don't have Harry's IQ genetics.
Words that they still say with a British accent. So they'll say zebra. And what else do they say? They have these little moments where it comes out, because they have very American accents, but they say words that are just like him, and I think it's adorable. Zebra's a good one.
Zebra.
Again, I'm not saying about the kids. So, but she's saying they say words like
Love it. Okay, is Suits called Suits because of lawsuits or because everybody wears a suit?
Oh, it's a great question. Do you know that it wasn't originally named that?
Really?
The show was first going to be called A Legal Mind, meaning like a play on illegal mind, a legal mind, and then it got changed at the last minute to Suits for both reasons, for lawsuits and for the fashion.
Okay, do you have a latest?
Look at this woman's face. Look at the horror. And then it got changed at the last minute. And this face. Oh, it's so perfect. I was gonna say too, Drew Barrymore sounds a lot like, I guess the word would be like dumb party girl who drinks a lot. Like you hear these girls, they have like this like thing to their voice because they were like drinking and smoking the night before. She sounds like that to me.
Food craving.
I'm just always on the search for the best hot sauce. So that's what I'm constantly craving.
All right.
So she's gonna sell hot
What
sauce
is a
soon.
fashion trend that you would love to see come back?
Ooh, I wore some a few weeks ago.
She's the expert in fashion.
My husband and I were in Canada for the Invictus Games, and I just love a wide leg trouser. So when wide leg jeans, skinny jeans, great, they have a place, but it was nice to be able to have a flare. I just missed that.
A wide leg.
Yeah, wide leg. Okay, so now we just put a little bit of jam in each of these. So again, thumbprint in, so you're creating just a hole to be able to have a nice combo of
How much do I put, like, I overdo everything?
Go for it.
That is the same finger that Drew used to rub under her nose.
So,
Because also once it goes into the oven, they're going to end up setting a little bit. You can see our dough's a little bit crumbly, but it doesn't matter. It's still going to taste just as delicious.
would you ever, like, pipe the jam?
No. Well, I made this texture for a reason. I really thought it was important that instead of having something that's thick that you have to have a knife to spread, I love that you can use this in so many different ways.
What? Okay, I guess that's why it's legally not nose cookies. Legally not a jam, and it is a spread. Again, we always see Meghan when she's showing us her recipes that she does all the time, every day, invented, that came from her grandmother. How she's like, oh wait, how do I do this? Like she's all fast, trying to look. I guess she goes fast, thinking that'll make it look like she knows what she's doing. But she's clearly always a little bit overwhelmed, a little bit frazzled. She has no idea. We had the chef literally talking about how they tried to hire him as a consultant to make these recipes and give them to Meghan to pretend that they were hers, which is just, it's so fake. Like, it makes me hate TV. Like, why are you lying to us?
So, you know, to be able to drizzle on a cheese border, as you said, I mean, you'd probably just be able to drink it. It makes it more fun and practical. That's pretty.
Time and temp in the oven?
Oh, like 325, only 10 minutes, and that's what is great. So you could do this dough the day before, keep it in the fridge.
Instant gratification.
Instant gratification. 10 minutes later.
They're both lame. Like, Drew doesn't look convinced, but I don't even know what to say. It's very bad.
You know, you have some yummy nibbles.
And with that thumbprint and the hands, everybody here is going to have the conveyance.
I will say, though, I'm a believer in freedom of self-expression, free speech, but looking at their outfits, I'm not sure if everyone should be allowed to choose their own outfit. Like, I could see an argument for, like, maybe these outfits should be illegal.
Of the love and the thoughtfulness and that beautiful handmade caring aspect, everyone here is going to be able to imbibe, enjoy, indulge.
And there's more there. I mean, we made tons. We did as many as we could. Oh, we do?
Look at this man's face. They have an applause sign. Like, he has to. He's just being polite. He's like, okay, I'll...
Oh my
Meghan,
gosh,
this is Meghan.
Hi, hey, nice to meet you. Wait, do you want to try a cookie while you're here?
Oh, okay.
Hey, prop, we're going to use you and make you fawn over me, and I'm going to maybe fake hug you and rub you awkwardly like I normally do.
Here you go.
Meghan and I work together.
Tasty?
Yum.
Oh, great.
Really good. They're really good.
Oh, how
Love you.
sweet. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice to meet you, Meg. Oh my gosh.
What the... What? What is this?
Look at your little face. Oh,
That's
so
really
sweet.
creepy. Like,
That
Diana's
is so
not
special.
Meghan's
I mean, you had it here.
relative.
Oh.
I was lucky enough to...
This is really
That's
weird
really
and
special.
I think tasteless.
means
Look,
so much.
did you see this woman? I like the crowd's expressions. Like, this particular woman, hers I have to show again.
That's really
Her
special.
right here. It's like, oh,
so much
she's
to me
thinking
to
what
have
we're
met
saying.
such an incredible human being that transcended everything. It was the honor of my life.
Oh my gosh, well, I will tell H that for sure, and yeah, she...
Okay.
H is the worst nickname I've ever heard.
Okay, please watch her amazing new show that has made me think and act differently. With Love, Meghan is available on Netflix now.
All right, everybody, I'll see you soon. Please subscribe and like.